Welcome. In this video, I want to show us how we can convert our Word CBT questions from the Word file to JPEG format. So I have series of questions here. So let me work with the Civic Education SS1 first term. Okay, so I have a central folder which is Word to JPG on my desktop. So inside that folder is where I'm storing all my questions, both the Word file and the ones in JPEG format. Alright, so to start with, you open the converter, which is the Word to JPG converter, and then you locate the plus sign, that is to hide the file. So by default, because I've been working with this already, it will take me to the Word to JPG folder automatically. In your own case, maybe for the first time, you have to navigate through your computer, maybe document or elsewhere. So I have it on my desktop, so I have to locate through to Word to JPEG. You open it, and then you pick the file, which is Civic Education, select it and click open. So the files come up, and then other settings you can do is where do you want to save it to. I have defined this already. It is saving to the same location. That is why you are seeing this here. It ends with Word to JPEG. In your own case, you can browse through and then you pick a folder. Maybe you want it to be in document, pictures, any other location as appropriate. You pick that. So in that case, probably you want your questions to be in two formats. Mine in this case, my Microsoft Word and the JPEG will be in the same folder. So you want your Word format to be in a folder, fine. You want the one that will be saved or converted into JPEG from JPEG to be in another location. You can specify where to be saving to. All right, so right now I've done these settings, and then the image clarity, okay, you can set that is the DPI to 300. So the standard starts from 300. The standard is 300 for pictures or for JPEG. So I pick that. The prefix, you can leave this, or you may want to delete it. So it will just add it as an image 001, image 002 and all that. But if we didn't put that, it will just be 01, 002, 03 and all that. That is what we have there. Alright, so when you are done with that, with all the settings, then you click start now. And once you click the start now, the conversion will begin process, and it has started converting already. And so when the conversion is done, it open up the location where you are working with to save it to, and now automatically the Civic Education folder has been created. And now these are the questions. I have 30 questions inside that I had to convert. So these are the questions. So let me go back to the Word file. There are 30 pages in the Word files. This is Civic Education. There are 30 pages in the Word file. So each pages will be cut out by the converter and then converted into JPEG. So this is page 1, and goes like that, page 2, and like that. So if you want to look at the information in Word file, you see page 4 of 30. So I'm in page 4. This is page 5, and like that. So there are 30 pages in the Word document, and that is why once you do or you convert it to JPEG files, there is it, this is it. So you'll be having it each one for the page, and this is the page 1 that has converted it. This is the last page, page 30 in the Word file that has converted it. And this is what we mean by converting from Word to JPEG. So in the next video, you will see how you can rename all these files, because this is just the name given by the converter. The CBT software needs a unique name to identify that, okay, this question is taken from a particular class and a particular term. So there's a way that the names should be named, so that the software can load the questions as appropriate. Else, once the candidates are trying to start the exam, it will be telling them that the questions are not available for this term, probably because these names are not in the format that is identifiable. This is just numbers, so you need to identify it as, is it Civic Education, is it from SS1, is it first term, or whatever it is. So that is what we are going to see, renaming these files to renaming these files for the CBT format in the next video. Thank you.